Okay, fine. So I hope you can see me and hear me clearly. If that is the case, then I'll just launch the poll and you can just select the relevant option. Okay, cool. So I hope everything is correct. Okay, you can just see me and hear me everything. So technical part is correct. So very good evening to you. So let's just start today's class. Okay, so with this curious video, if you remember last class, I had asked you one GK question. Okay, so regarding Ladakh, and some of you had answered correctly. Very nice. So I thought there's so many things that you need to know regarding Ladakh. So today's video is again regarding Ladakh itself. Okay, so where we have the India's finest telescope. Okay, so you see in this Ladakh, okay, this telescope means a lot to Indian astronomical observatory because they make lot of progress or they make lot of research everything using this telescope. So let us go and visit which telescope am I talking about. Okay, this is the famous telescope which is present in Ladakh.
Ladakh, India is home to one of the highest optical telescopes in the world. Its environment makes it ideal for stargazing.
When we step out at night and look up at the sky, it is mesmerizing. We can see clearly the constellation, the galaxies.
So guys, actually there's been power cut. Okay, so until the power returns back, so what we will do is we'll just discuss some of the things from previous sums and all that, right? I will share the screen, let you guys solve the questions and answer to me. And when the sir comes, he can start the class. When the power is back in sir's home, he can start the class, right? So until then, what we can do is we can simply see the questions which were given to you as a homework, and we can just revise it and go through it. Okay? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Good evening to all those who are sending all the good evenings. Right. Fine. So I see the sums are the same, right? So sir, which he had given it last class, right? So I will share the screen again with you people, right? And you people can let try solving that. I will give you hints. You can try solving that and you can send me the answers. Fine? Yes. Okay, so give me a minute. I will share the screen with you people. Okay. Okay. I believe you people can see the screen now, right? Yes. So, you guys can start with the question number 28. If you have solved, you can go further. If you have not solved, then start from the question number 28. Okay. And you can solve it and let me know the answers in the chat. I will be giving the hints on every question, but you whole solving part will be yours. I will just give you the hints and clues. Okay. So let's start with question number 28. Okay. So if you see question number 28, you can see that there are three columns and there are three rows, right? And at the last row, you can see the question mark present, right? There is 11, there is 44, and there is a question mark. So your job is to find what the number will fill the question mark, right? So for this you have to find the pattern for the first row. Okay, what is the pattern or what is the trick which you have to use so that you get the answer, right? So let me just give you a little hint. Okay, so what I will do is I will consider the number of first two numbers from the first row. Okay, the first two numbers from the first row, and I will try something with the division and find the answer in the third box of the first row. Okay, that means I will consider 20 and 4. I will try some divisions and I will find the answer 25. So same way you can do with the 44 and 11 and try finding the question mark. Okay, if you guys do that, then send me the answer fast. I'll stop sharing the screen. I'll check for your answers. Okay? Yes. Okay, nice. I can see that already you people are sending the answer. Very good. Um, Samruddhi correct. Ashutosh correct. Yes. Rohan wrong. Rohan, how it's not zero. Okay. Kanishk correct. Sneha correct. Srujan Janvi correct. Okay. Mithil wrong, beta. Uh, Shri Krishna, I'm talking about the question 28th. Okay. Yes. So most of you have sent the correct answers so far, right? So what we'll do is we'll go to the next question, right? I'll share the screen again. You people can send the answer for the question number 27. Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. So Soham couldn't see the question. Yeah, I'll share the screen again. Okay, so you can solve it and you can tell the answers. I'll show you people the screen again. Okay? Yes, in a minute. I'll show you the screen and tell the hint. I'll give you the hint. Okay? Yes. So I believe you can see the screen again now, right? And the hint is you have to do some division with the first two numbers of the first row, and then you will get the answer of the you'll get the answer or number to be filled in the third box of the first row, right? So if you apply the same pattern to the last row also, the one with the 11, 44 and a question mark, right? So if you try some division with 11 and 44, you will have to find the answer in place of the question mark. See, if I tell you the full method, then it's not called as giving hint, right? So you can try with this itself. And those who have finished it, go for the 29th one. Okay, if you have finished it, go for the 29th one. Okay, so if you want hint for the 29th one, then here you have to also do the division again. Okay, but the two things which you'll be using here is some division and some multiplication. That try figuring it out. Okay, you have to do some division and you have to do some multiplication. Yes. And for the 30th one, those who have finished the 29th, if you are trying for the 30th one, then you will have to follow one pattern here. But for that pattern, you have to consider something. Okay, so let's say that all first row, okay, in question number 30, the first row, that is 3, 8, 10, 2, question mark 1, that whole first row, we will consider it as X. Okay, and the whole second row, that is 6, 56, 92, 20, 0, we'll consider that as Y. Okay, and when you consider this first row X and second row Y, if you use the pattern X square minus X is equals to Y, then you will get the answer in the place of question mark. Okay, you have to use the pattern X square minus X is equal to Y. Okay, so try these three questions. I hope you were able to see the questions, you were able to note down the questions, because I'll be stopping the screen sharing. If you haven't, just take a screenshot, If not, I believe sir has sent the question to you people also, so you should be having it, right? So I will stop sharing my screen now. Yes, so you can send the answers for all the 3 questions. If you have done solving it, you can send the answer. Okay, yes, correct. Suhani, correct. Anil Kumar, correct. Samruddhi, correct. Please put the question number and send the answer. Okay, since I've given you 3 questions, put the question number and send the answer. Yes, Muhita, correct. Vinayak, correct. Okay, awesome, man. You people are crazy. You people are doing awesome. Yes. Muhita, yeah, correct. Okay, so 30th answer is correct. Sunidhi, correct. Pravin, correct. Srujan, correct. Shreyas, also correct. Okay, so I can see that some of you have finished just now 29. Try the 30th one also fast and you can send the answer. Okay? Okay, so somebody is saying that Nasir is saying she did not understand the 29th one. So Nasir, as I said, what you can do is you can consider the first row, and in that first row you can divide the number, 2 numbers, and then multiply those or multiply the answer with 2. Then you get the question mark place. Okay, try doing it. Yes. Okay, correct. Malvika, correct. Okay, fine. Cool. So all of you have sent the correct answer. Okay? Yes.